and shot those back-to-back crucial baskets, as well as the way the rest of the team closed out today's game.
Yeah, first of all, thank you, and then I would like to greet, my group, FOB, sa Kamuning. I think this win is, there's a lot of guts from our players, especially, tinanong si CJ about the play. So he's part of the play. He's the recipient of inbound pass, and then we're not after the 4 points or 3 points. We want to quick 2 points, but knowing CJ, gusto niyang manalo eh. And never kung pinagbabawalan siyang tumira any part of the court as long as it is a good shot or the situation is kailangan itira yon. And siguro earlier during the first half nagkaroon kami ng counting altercation, but I have to respect everybody because what I feel is gusto niya manalo eh. But I want to let him know that I'm the coach of the team. They should respect me also. And then he apologized. And that's why, and it turned out na maganda nangyari, na focus. And then yung focus niya to win, dahil gusto niya magpakita, ganyan. And that's one thing. And that, but that's already the thing of the past because after all, we're teammate eh. Kailangan we have to unite and then together para hindi maapektuhan yung team. And the good thing with the team is talagang nakikita nila, pasensyoso sila lahat eh. And then nakita niyo naman, nung maganda ginagawa niya, lahat nasa kanyang bola, and all my plays, siya tinatawag ko lahat. Before that, si Don naman eh. Si Don. And then si Don, isa rin maganda nilaro niya. And then siya ang humabol. Hindi kami bumitaw after ng leading by as much as 12 points. And then all of a sudden, na-wipe out, lumamang sila. But I give credit to the players because of their experience in this kind of a game.
Let's look back at
Thank you, Coach Leo. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, you had a good start the first quarter. Yun nga. Ito, sabi si TNT, bumalik ng second quarter. They took the lead. They led by 11 yata. So, parang
Nabaliktad.
kung ano yung kwento ng first two games na nangyari, pero nag-iba na nawala yung lamang.
Yeah, I think the first of all I think yung game plan namin at the start maganda eh. Kaya lang hindi na sustain because na overwhelmed kami ng lamang eh. Usually that's a human nature eh, but we have to address to them na this is a finals, so cannot afford to relax because our opponents is always thinking how to get back because this is championship game. So it's a lesson learned for us. But fortunately, because of the experience of the players and the team, so they don't want to give up. And then, ayun, ang nangyari, nakakasap kami and we have a chance to get the lead courtesy of CJ, his 7 points in the last minute. So you have to give credit to this kind of player because alam natin na yung kanyang tapang sa paglalaro, walang especially in a crunch time na ganito, gusto niya manalo. And then the problem is some players are trying not to make mistakes. And in that situation, kailangan namin ng katulad niya.
So, can you expound on that? Sabi mo, misunderstanding mo with CJ earlier.
Yeah, nagkaroon yun. And then, kasi, ang iniisip ng player is he wants to to win. He wants to win by playing a lot of times. But as a coach, I know what's happening. Okay? Because we're after to the flow of the game. But knowing CJ, ibabalik ko siya. So, what happened is because of that incident, so, na-refocus siya. And makita nyo naman siya. Nakita nyo kanina talagang ayaw patalo. And that's the kind of player na we want to have. Especially in this kind of championship, makikita nyo. In last possession, lahat sa kanya ko binigay. Although that play is not for him, because we're after a quick 2 or quick 3, but he has the opportunity. And that kind of shot, ginagawa niya sa practice is a game. Makikita natin eh. That's why, nung pataas pa lang ang bola, palagay ko papasok ito. And then, nakinig yung nasa taas natin. And I'm so happy for his guts.
Hindi,
Thank you.
nung fourth quarter pala, 6 of 6 ka. So, parang yung game 6 na third of third. Pero ngayon, fourth quarter naman. Ang bibigat pa yung
Actually, ginawa ko lang naman kung ano yung makakaya kong gawin. And yun nga, struggle sa first half. So, yun, di nawawala yung trust ng mga coaches sa akin. And yun, nag-response lang ako kung ano yung binibigay sa akin na trust ng mga coaches. So, yeah.
Hindi yung pang 4-point shot mo tsaka 3-point shot, ano lang yung naramdaman mo, parang hindi ka ba makapaniwala na naipasok mo yun?
Actually, nagulat din ako nung pumasok yung 4 points. Talagang sobrang lang, parang nagpasalamat na lang ako kay Lord kasi pumasok. Kasi wala na akong ibang choice kundi itira yun eh. And thank you kasi nag-switch sila. Hindi sila nag-trap. So, ayun, pumasok yung So, yeah, ipagpapasa Diyos ko yung salamat Lord para sa game na to, sa pangalawang panalo. So, yun, hopefully, hindi na maulit yung ganung yung yung mga lapses namin, ang laki na nung lamang namin din nakahabol. So, yun.
CJ, yung tiniraan mo kanina ng 4-point shot si Calvin Optana, alam natin. Magkaibigan kayo, ano mo yun? Tinira mo yun.
Siguro kabisado ako ni Calvin, alam niyang drive ako, so tinigil ko na lang sa 3 points. And yeah, luckily pumasok yung tira.
Buti nakalimutan nilang talagang tumitira siya sa 4 points. And ginagawa naman niya yun eh. Sa practice, sa game, ganyan. And a situation like that, lakas na ng loob eh. Dahil gustong manalo eh. So that's one thing na you have to appreciate the kind of player we have. Dahil ayaw nilang patalo eh.
Coach, medyo mabigat yung panalo nyo, masakit sa TNT. Do you feel like yung moral ninyo and momentum nasa panic nyo na?
Actually, before the game, this game is really important for us because this is pivotal eh. Na-reduce na sa best of 5. So, game 1 is very important because you have a chance to relax for a while because the next game is on Wednesday. So, we have a viewing tomorrow and the shooting, and then Tuesday back to regular practice, and then Wednesday game time. So, but first and foremost, kailangan they have to recover physically, mentally, and then kailangan makuha uli nila yung to refocus on the next game because alam natin na talk and text after na nakatay kami, nakita natin yung bagsik nila ngayon eh. And nakita natin yung kanilang adjustment, and then mabuti nila nakapag response kami and then during the game kasi sa practice there's no drastic changes magagawa mo dahil it's a matter of just explaining to them what to do, what the situation is, and katulad sinasabi ko last game makita mo ang taas ng shooting percentage namin is 55, and in a championship game 55%, so that's a lot. And then we give up only 2 second chance points for them. And tonight almost talo kami sa lahat ng department, but because of makita nyo shooting percentage 39 versus 41, but yun nga ayaw patalo ng mga players kaya credit sa kanila.
What's an update kay Chris Ross about his injury?
Chris Ross mild sprain actually naglalaro siya ng hindi 100%, but alam natin yung kanyang he's a warrior and many times during the finals he's not always 100% but namamanage niya ganyan and kanina tinatanong ko gusto mo pumasok para for defensive purposes, so he back up na ganito kaya very honest yung bata, yung player hindi na pala bata yun very honest dahil alam niya, napipil niya kung anong feeling ng mga player na nasa loob. Fortunately, may mga players na talagang willing na pumasok o mag-defend para sa panalong yun and then we're so lucky dahil yung kanilang last 2 4-point shot hindi pumasok.
And that sums up the post-game press
Thank you, guys.
conference.
Thank you, guys.
Congratulations once again to SMU.
Okay, no problem.